Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is Friday, October 16th, and the market is officially closed. So we had a very good week this week where the market made its push higher and started to fall back, but that's all right. So we get ready to head into the weekend where you get all your studies in and trying to make sure that you're positioned well right before the elections, all that good stuff. So let's take a look at the chart that we've been watching since the beginning of everything. So here is the SPX. SPX is looking pretty good, if I gotta say so myself. The market did make its push towards 3,600, and what I'm looking at is for the market to continue to push higher, like I've said, week in and week out. We see the lines that we had before, and that was the prior range. So what we're going to do is actually make a new range that we got going on. Last week I had mentioned how I believe the market would push to 3,600, so let's go ahead and put our line in that range now. So the high was 35.88. The market made its way to, let's see, as high as 35.34, so not too bad. So what I actually see here is a pattern. I see a nice little pattern of a cup here and then a little handle, and now it's starting to push a little higher. And if this pattern continues, we have a chance for the market to move to, drum roll please, 4,000. The market can move to 4,000 if it does break above that neckline, and I'm actually looking forward to that. So I'm looking at the market to continue to make this push higher because there's really no place else for money to go. So that is the SPX. Let's take a look at IWM and see where things are on that. So the last time we were on here, I was saying that I believe that it would continue to go higher. It finally broke above 160, and it went to 160, popped back up, and it's closed above 160 yet again. So we got a nice little chance of a flag starting to develop here. So this flag is right here where it's starting to come, and actually that is going to be a pennant. So the pennant can break out, and then we can have highs after it closes above 170. So I'm still bullish. I have a very bullish outlook for the market. S&P potential to move to 4,000 if it closes above 36, and then we have IWM where it can also go higher if it closes above 170. So that's gonna wrap it up for this week. Let's make sure that you check out my boys Kenny and Cam every single Sunday. That's Marathon Money. And then don't forget, my podcast is going to be coming soon, where we're going to do it a little bit differently, where we mix music and money together. And until then, we will check you later. Peace.